It's Saturday. What do we do on Saturdays? We home shop. We go shopping for homes, right? So check this out. There's a ton of open houses going on this weekend. If you are out and about and you see an open house sign and maybe you're not with your agent, can you walk into that open house? You absolutely can. However, it is very important that you let that agent know who your realtor is. Give them their name and their contact information, just as well as your information. Because if you end up liking or falling in love with that home, and then you come back with your realtor, and you haven't told that agent that you have representation, a realtor, that home may cost you a whole lot extra. If you want to know more what I'm talking about, give me a call. But happy Saturday.